Welcome back to Toolify the channel, where we break down the latest in AI and tech, making it simple and exciting for you. Today we're diving into one of the most important frontiers in artificial intelligence, explainable AI. As AI gets smarter, it's faster, and more powerful, there's one huge problem: we often don't know why it makes the decisions it does. But thanks to meta-reasoning methods, AI is starting to explain its own thinking. Let's explore how this changes everything. Imagine a self-driving car suddenly slams on the brakes. You ask why? Traditional AI models are black boxes. They output results without showing their reasoning. Explainable AI, or XAI, is about turning that black box into a glass box. It's giving humans the why behind decisions, instead of just saying, "Stop detected." XAI says, "I stopped because I detected a pedestrian crossing the road." This transparency builds trust, helps humans make better choices, and prevents critical mistakes. As AI gets smarter, faster, and more powerful, there's one huge problem: we often don't know why it makes the decisions it does. But thanks to meta-reasoning methods, AI is starting to explain its own thinking. Let's explore how this changes everything. Here's where it gets fascinating. Meta-reasoning. Meta-reasoning means AI doesn't just answer questions, it reflects on how it got those answers. It's like humans explaining their thought process when solving a math problem. With meta-reasoning, AI can check its own work, highlight uncertainties, explain its decision path in plain language. For example, in medicine, old AI, patient likely has pneumonia. New meta-reasoning AI, patient likely has pneumonia because symptoms A, B, and C align with known patterns. Confidence, 72%. Further testing advised. This makes AI less of a black box and more of a reliable partner. This transparency builds trust, helps humans make better choices, and prevents critical mistakes. As AI gets smarter, faster, and more powerful, there's one huge problem: we often don't know why it makes the decisions it does. But thanks to meta-reasoning methods, AI is starting to explain its own thinking. Let's explore how this changes everything. Meta-reasoning in XAI matters for 4 key reasons. Trust. People trust AI more when it explains itself. Accountability. Transparency reveals bias or errors. Safety. AI that questions itself prevents mistakes. Collaboration. AI becomes a teammate, not just a tool. In other words, meta-reasoning bridges the gap between human judgment and machine intelligence. Researchers are now exploring powerful techniques like chain-of-thought reasoning gives AI lays out its step-by-step logic. Self-critique loops gives AI checks its own answers before sharing. Counterfactuals gives AI explains, if X were different, the result would be Y. The future? AI that isn't just powerful, but understandable, auditable, and aligned with human values. Machines that don't just give us answers, but also explain the why behind them. So the next time you hear about an AI breakthrough, remember, true intelligence isn't just about being smart, it's about being explainable. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to Toolify, and turn on notifications for more deep dives into the future of AI.